hello everybody. Thank you for being here today. It really means a lot to me, and of course to all the fans that are here for me. I'm so grateful that you guys are here. And to the media that's here, thank you for coming. And especially to Jollibee, my Jollibee family, maraming salamat. Thank you for having me.
Javi, we have our golden barbecue. Kahawak po ako nito sa'yo. Baka kasi gutom ka rin. Hawak lang po. Okay na ako sa akin. Thank you so much. Balik naman talaga ni Jollibee. Napag-isipan ng host. And we also have we have a barbecue, and we have our rancher, and of course, new chili cheese is what you're holding as well. So we have all three things. So I think Jollibee has to hold this final. They have a photo with Miss Jella and Andres. So let's